welding. There's not a lot of programs that have welding, especially I believe welding's been here at Rogers since the school is open. I have 2 machines that are still original to the building when it was built that we still run welding with today. I think what makes it special is it really gives kids a chance to get hands-on, get some industry experience, and learn something where they can pick up a skill, develop a skill, where you can go look for a job after you graduate without needing additional education if you can pick up some of the skills that we go through in here. Or you can go pick that up further down the road and just enhance what you know, how well you're able to do your job. Definitely, there's a point for most students when they've been working on a project for several weeks or several days, and it finally just clicks. When they finally get that motion of how to move their hands, how to stabilize, their speed they travel at, all the different points that we need with our welding, that when it finally clicks and then they're like, look at what I did, look how good my weld is. And it's like, yeah, I know, I've been seeing that all the time, and it's just needing to get practice down until it finally comes through, and then you get this awesome finish that then you've got a great foundation to continue building on from there.